Hi guys, this video is related to integration of 3G using DOW. So first we need to do the format of the DOW. We use password RBS for the new DOWs. Here I can see that with the VOLS command I can see that the usage is like some data is present in the DOW drives. So we need to first format the DOWs. The procedure is this, that first we reload the command reload space dash dash, and after that we format the drive. Format command is FORMAT space backslash D, and then we type yes, and again reload space dash dash, and again we will format the second drive, which is C2. And here we go. As we see, after this procedure of format the hard disk of DUW, we need to set the IP configuration so that we can log in through local LAN connection. The IP is 169.254.1.2 for our PC and .1.1 for the DUW. Just to see if the configuration is okay, we run ifconfig command to see the result. Now we will connect through FTP to DOW to transfer the basic package. We are going to connect, but sorry, we have to put the LAN cable. We have to remove the serial communication and insert the LAN cable. See the LAN connection now. At this time LAN connection is disconnected, and now it is connected. So I suspect we have to change the IP also. Okay, yes. Okay, we are connected. Just to show you from the start. We will type the IP of the DUW. Hit OK. Password is RBS. We will open the C drive first, and this is our laptop side. We need to open our basic package wherever it is located. Since we don't have R2G07 basic package, so we are using basic package from another site which is having similar software package. The software package we are working with is R2GA07. So we need to move all the data within C drive to the DOW C drive. Like from one drive we have to move all the data to the DOW same drive. To save time, we will make two parallel connections. With one connection we will shift the data of C drive, and with the other connection we will shift the data of D drive. See, we connected the second total commander software and open the D and copy all, select all, and shift to the left side. Left side is DOW, right side is my computer. So we have to wait for some time to so that this process finishes. I fast forward the I will fast forward this video so that it can complete fast and we can do the rest of the process also quickly. It will save time for us also. Still 3% remaining. Around 1 GB of data is being copied to DOW drives. After this step, we shifted all the data which is already configured for site ZRY763, like HRY763. So what we will do, we will use the CV backup file which NOC or back office provided us. We will use the data which is contained in the CV file and put it in the DUW, and because since software is same, only this configuration data will be changed. So DUW will be restarted on our configuration file, and site will become whatever was the CV. So see how we are going to do this. We will find out the D drive, and on right side we will find the location of the CV in our computer, and on left side we will open the same place where this D drive is located, where this CV is located. See, I go to D configuration and CV and found MTech CV, and also I connect in my laptop site the D drive, the CV location, and I will see that all like data is similar, matching. Only some things are different. These are site IDs and configuration for IPs and cell IDs and sector labels, like this stuff. So I will copy all this data from configuration variant which is provided by NOC to this DUW, and click overwrite, and all data will be moved to this DUW. This data is the only thing which is making sites separate, like one is ZRY763 and one is ZRY762. So once this process is completed, we will reload the site once. Reload command is supposed to be put in the serial communication in the COM4 port, like whatever your laptop is COM1 port or COM2 port, but for me it is COM4. So I will type the VLS command just to see that some data is there. I will put the reload command. There is one thing which I see now, that the startable CV is a different one. We pasted the data in our MTech CV, so we need to log in again and set the CV MTech CV as startable, and then again restart the DUW. As you can see on the screen, that startable CV is AU underscore CXP. We did not copy our data in this CV. We copied our data in another CV whose name is MTech underscore CV. So we need to set startable or run the CV, this MTech CV. This is the only way we can do it. So I will log in again, and sorry, now because since password, so now this is a working site, so password is not RBS. Here I find all the CVs. I will find the MTech CV, and I will set this CV MTech CV as startable. Once I set this CV, I will just give the reload command, and next time MTech underscore CV will start, and MTech CV has all the data for this site, the site which we are integrating. This process is a little bit dirty process because we are using data from another nearby site. Just we are matching that, like it is also working on RRUs or RUS. We can use this data from any other similar site. The configuration variant, or what is called CV, contains all the information of the site. Like it contains the cell IDs, cell IDs, IP addresses, gateways, O&M details, and traffic IP addresses. Everything up to the EC port information is contained in this CV. So when we restore the CV in any DUW, this DUW becomes this CV site, whatever this CV was. We get this CV from our back office or from our network operations center, whatever is available on your side. This process is normally for MS Teams to make the integration of sites which are down. This process is not to be used for the sites which are now being integrated, like new integration. This process is not for the new integration. This process is only for the reintegration of existing sites which are down due to some reason. And this process is also only, it can be used if sites go down once it was up and backup was taken by OSS or any other servers. The next thing, now we can log in into the into this MO shell, and we can see that our site ID is there. We will run the ALT command just to see that there are license and lot of other alarms. Since here we have not connected any RUs, CBRI cables are not connected, so it will not give us any sales status. Yet anyways, just to see that now we have only alarms for the license. Once we see the alarms, which is only gigabit, I don't know why the others are, maybe it will take some time. See that all RUs are disabled because we are not plugged any CPRI cable. So we will do next thing, we will run the license command. We will put the license in our FTP server, which we are using FTPD server, the same server which we also use for the baseband integration. How we will use this license files which are provided by NOC to us, like back office provided some license files. Two files are contained in this license. We will copy these files and move these files to our this folder in which is supposed to be configured in FTPD. I will show you how. In the FTPD we will start the FTPD, and we will also I will show you that these folders are configured. Anyway, we will first do this license loading step. First command is ACL space 7, and next command is ACC space 7 space update license key file, and it will ask me for the user ID. I will type RBS because I put the RBS username and password for the FTP server. I will use the IP address of my laptop since this FTP server is running in my laptop. And now I need to put this Aiva, and now I will put the name of this license key file which I put in my FTP server. So just to say avoid any spelling mistake, I will copy paste the name. .xml must be present. I will put enter, and just to see in parallel that there will be login into this FTP server since this license is loaded properly. The all alarms are related to the EC port disconnected, and gigabit Ethernet transmission cable is removed, and no any CPRI cables are installed. These are all the alarms which I am having. So process of integration of 3G site using DUW is complete. This is procedure to be used for the reintegration of the sites, not for the fresh integrations. So it is to be used by the MS managed services team, maintenance teams. Thank you very much for viewing, for watching. Thank you very much.